Hello everyone, welcome to my channel BCB Lady. Today we're going to prepare an easy iftar or evening snack, chicken crepes or meat box, also called as erchipetti. Please watch the video till the end. But before that, if you have not yet subscribed, please do subscribe, like, share and support my channel. Now for the filling, I have taken half kg boneless chicken. I have boiled the chicken by adding turmeric powder, some salt and ginger garlic paste and then shredded into pieces. Then I've taken 2 large onions, chopped, 3 to 4 green chilies, few chopped curry leaves and 1 small capsicum finely chopped, few coriander leaves chopped, 1 small tomato, it's completely optional, half teaspoon ginger garlic paste, half teaspoon pepper powder and garam masala, half teaspoon turmeric powder and half teaspoon chili powder and salt as required. Now heat some oil in a pan. I've added 3 teaspoons of oil and adding chopped curry leaves, chopped green chilies, saute well. And now I'm adding chopped onions and some salt. Saute well, need not be golden brown, just the raw smell has to go. Now I'm adding half teaspoon ginger garlic paste. Saute well again. Now adding turmeric and red chili powder. Then goes in half teaspoon garam masala and pepper powder. Mix it well. And now I'm adding 1 small tomato, which is completely optional. You can also skip that. And now I'm adding chopped capsicum. And then finally shredded chicken. After everything is mixed well, I'm adding chopped coriander leaves and I'm now switching off the flame. The masala stuffing is ready. Now we are going to prepare the batter for making the sheet. For that I have taken half cup maida, 1 cup of water and some salt as required. In a bowl I am adding maida and water and mixing it well until the batter is little looser. Make sure that it should not be too thick nor too watery. This way. Then heat a non-stick pan or dosa tawa and pour the batter this way like a very thin dosa. Make sure that the sides should not be too thick. After 20 to 30 seconds, you can take out the dosa or crepe and place it in a plate and add the 1 to 1.5 teaspoon chicken stuffing in the middle and fold it this way like a parcel. Same way, make all the crepes. The crepe sheet should be very thin. Keep the flame in medium and take it after 20 to 30 seconds. The same way, keep the stuffings and fold this way. Now for the filling I have taken 3 eggs. Break the eggs and add few pepper powder, some turmeric powder and some salt. Mix it well. Now dip the crepes or chicken meat box in the eggs and place it for shallow frying. Likewise I am dipping all the crepes and frying it. When both the sides have turned golden brown, it's time to take the chicken box from the oil. Very little oil is used since I'm shallow frying everything. And all the chicken box is ready now. Hope you will all give a try and comment your feedback. Since it's Ramadan now, it's an excellent evening iftar snack. So please do try and comment your valuable comments. Thanks for watching. Please do subscribe, share, like and support my channel. Bye.